Alright, so starting off, we just have these Monster Smart LED strips that were just really cheap on Amazon. Now I'm just gonna attach them to the back of my desk using duct tape because I really don't have anything else. Alright, so now I have to take the stand off of my monitor so I can attach it to this Amazon Basics monitor arm. Guys, I had to read the manual. Alright, so for the mouse pad, we just have this one I picked up off of Amazon. So for the mouse, we're just going to be using the Logitech G Pro Wireless because it has a fast connection and it works well. So powering this setup is going to be the 2022 M2 MacBook Air base model. We're going to be connecting everything through this dongle that I picked up on Amazon. So for the keyboard, it's just a custom keyboard I built a year ago. It just has these Amazon keycaps and the Acco Jelly Black switches. It also has a volume knob, which is really nice because I don't have any other way to change the volume. Okay, so now I just have this IKEA plant for the corner and I'm just going to put my Govi floor lamp behind it to get a cool effect. If you guys were wondering how I did cable management, I just used these clips and put them on the bottom of my desk. They seem to work really well.